Hello friends, welcome to Data Learners. Today we are going to learn how to find factorial of any number using a Python program. So this is the mathematical formula for finding factorial. That is n factorial is n into n minus 1, into n minus 2 and so on. Here is an example that we have to find the factorial of number 4. This is how we have calculated the factorial of number 4. That is a 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is a 24. And second one is the factorial of 6, that is a 720. So now let's write a Python program to find factorial of a number. First define the function factorial variable number, any number. We have to first predefine result, that is a result is predefined, that one, that should be one. Using for loop, we will iterate to the range of numbers for I in range, that is number plus 1. So after this iteration, the value of I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, up to whatever the number is. Result is equal to I result return. So what will happen in this program? Basically, for the every iteration, the value of I will be there. That is a 1, 2, 4, and up to the nth number. Suppose we have to find the factorial of number 4. Now, let's we calculate the define the first variable, that is a number. We have to find the factorial of number 4. And then our function. So how it will return 24. Like first the I is 1. After every iteration, it will return the I value of I in the range of 1, 2, 3, and 4. First the result is predefined, that's a 1. And second one, the I is 1. Then it will update the result of I, that is I into result, that's a 1 into 1, that's 1. And second, for second iteration, I is a 2. The result will be I, that's a 1. I into 2, that is a 2. And third iteration, I will be 3. And result is 2, that is a 2 into 3, that is a 6. And in the fourth iteration, I will be 4. And our result is 6. Then it will return the 6 into 4, that is 24. And then uh, iteration stop, and then our final result will be 24. This is how the factorial of any number we can find using Python. And this is the internal working of how it will calculate the factorial of number. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.